Hi there, my name is Thomas and thank you for being here. This is a Tiger 1050, a Triumph that is in my possession for 9 years, and I will make a series of this bike and bring it back to life. So it's been standing in that corner for 4 years, and I washed it 2 times in 4 years, so it's in hell of a condition. I drained the tank and removed the fluids, all the fluids and the air in the tires and stuff like that, but it's not in a good condition. I'll share a video of this bike that I made in 2017 of its condition and what I changed on it to make it better. But now my motivation is to make it even better, so install some upgrades, do a lot of maintenance on it. The brake system, the forks, the steering, the whole back will get disassembled and cleaned up. Then I will dive a little bit into the engine, the whole electrical system, the whole fuel system. That will be costly, I think. I drained the tank, but I didn't clean up the injectors, so we'll have to see after 4 years. Tires, yeah, it's also a big question mark how much grip they will offer after 4 years, but it's all in the planning. I have some stuff already coming in from Triumph, but yeah, we'll have to see how it will evolve. I think it will be like 10 videos, I don't know, maybe a little bit more. I'm not planning on being a YouTuber, it's just this experience because I think it's cool. And always, it's always nice that some people are involved that can help me, not only my colleagues, but also, some other guys who know, hey dude, now you're fucking up, try this or this, then just tell me. I will make the best out of it. Alright, looking forward to starting. It's going to be over 4 months actually, so in March I need it. March 2023 this bike needs to run, and I must be finished. So alright, see you guys next time. Take care.